Hi, today I'm making tomato and basil eggs. I was in my garden this morning. I was cutting basil because I have so much of it. I want to give some away. And I decided to take those tomatoes that I had just picked and the basil and see what I could come up with for breakfast. And so I start with, here it's 3 eggs, but 2 is perfectly fine as well. You can use 2 eggs or 4 if you're serving more people. I took about 10 cherry tomatoes. They were smaller, so I cut them in half, as well as 1/8 of a cup of basil. And then I had 1/8 of a cup of milk and 2 of the 3 eggs. And I just mix all of the eggs with about a half a teaspoon of salt or salt to taste, and as well as combine the milk into the eggs and whisk until they're nice and smooth. I let my pan get hot with about a half a tablespoon of butter. I grated about maybe 2 tablespoons of Romano cheese into my eggs. This is optional. If you like this type of cheese, you can add that, or you can add anything you want. My basil, I added that to the eggs, and my sliced tomatoes. Now, the tomatoes are both from my garden as well as the basil, and I just combined that slightly, not over mixing the ingredients, just a gentle stir so that the tomatoes won't break up into the eggs or the egg mixture. I'm going to pour my eggs into the pan and begin to sort of scramble as normal. Once the eggs have the consistency that I like and they're firm, I'm going to pour those on a plate, and then I top with another tablespoon of Romano cheese. Again, that's optional. And there you have it, tomato and basil eggs.